Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to see the leaderboards on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to click login into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already log in, you can click the leaderboards beside the diamond menu, and then you can see the rank leaderboards, the achievement leaderboards, or heroes leaderboards like this. Uh, and then if you want to see your popularity, you can see over here, okay? Like this. Followers, squad, or mentor, you can see all the leaderboards over here. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.